For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
All sports activities were suspended for close to 2 months due to coronavirus lockdown. The commencement of Bundesliga marks the return of other sporting events as life returns to normalcy around the world after months of lockdown. Germany was the first nation to start sports activities with Bundesliga. The Football League was restarted on May 16th with fans watching the proceedings on television. With this, Bundesliga has become a first of European major leagues to resume after play was suspended due to coronavirus pandemic. Italian major football league Serie A is all set to resume from June 20th. Most of the league's clubs have started training in their base camps. With high-tech 24/7 medical facility and COVID-19 testing, Serie A is all set to restart, with fans waiting to catch a glimpse of their favorite stars. With the confirmation of Spain's National Sports Council, La Liga will restart on June 11th. 3 months after the coronavirus pandemic forced its suspension, La Liga will return on June 2nd week. The Spanish Football Federation and La Liga governing body has agreed to implement the guidelines laid out by the Spanish government. League One's 2019-2020 season has officially been declared as concluded. The French Professional Football League awarded Paris Saint-Germain with its 7th title in 8 years. A points per game system was used in order to decide the league's final standing, with PSG, Marseille and Rennes qualifying for the Champions League. Apart from football, cricket activities are set to resume in July. England and Wales Cricket Board has decided to go ahead with the series against West Indies. To make 3-match test series reality, ECB is creating biosecure passage so cricket can be played in a safe environment. West Indies Cricket Board also agreed to the ECB's proposals. Another cricket giant, Cricket Australia, has announced the bilateral series against India from October. Tour will start with T20 series followed by T20 World Cup and Test series from December to January. Cricket World's big brother BCCI is contemplating to reschedule the IPL during the month of October or November. BCCI's top bosses are holding consultations with the concerned stakeholders in this regard. Another sought-after sports, tennis, is set to restart in July with the WTA Tours and ATP Challenger Series. But major Grand Slams, including Wimbledon and US Open organizers, have not yet taken a call on organizing the event. Formula One, the sporting world's most dangerous game, is set to return to the tracks in July. The first will be held in Austria on July 5th and 12th. Defending champion Lewis Hamilton was leading the points table when the race was suspended due to COVID-19. Another major sport, golf, is also restarting on July 22nd with a European tour. There will be 6 tournaments over a period of 6 weeks.